everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make some peach custard bread pudding. I still have a lot of these peaches in my small dwarf tree, so I'm going to use them. So let's get started. So I have chopped up my peach. I also have sliced peach that's gonna go on top. I also have custard. The recipe of this is on my video on how to make the marzipan cake if you want to make the custard. So we're going to mix our dry ingredients. I got all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add my baking powder, baking soda, and sugar together. And I'm just gonna fold this together. And this recipe is very easy. You don't need any mixer. You just need to mix your dry ingredients, and then we're just gonna mix them by folding them gently into the big bowl. Alright, I think that's good enough. I'm going to use my big bowl here, and I have shifter that I'm gonna put my dry ingredients just to make sure I don't have any clump of big hard stuff that's gonna go on my bread and break our teeth. Okay, you just shake it up. Okay, so we got those little crumb on the bottom. Now I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, and now we're going to mix our liquid, and I'm going to mix my milk and lemon juice together and add my vanilla in there as well. And I'm gonna just stir with a spatula. Okay, and then I'm going to mix my egg. I'm going to add the egg in there. There we go. Just like that. Now I'm going to add this in here gently, and just kind of use your spatula to go around. There we go. And then I'm going to add my vegetable oil. And this recipe makes 2 loaf bread. If you still have like little lump there, just use your whisk and just whisk it gently. Alright, so I got nice and smooth butter right now, and I'm going to fold my chopped peaches. And these peaches actually called champagne peaches. It's from my tree that produced a lot of fruit this year. And then now we're going to transfer them into our loaf pan. Okay, so you can line your loaf pan with parchment paper, or you can just grease it and flour. This is just easy to take out the bread when it's done. It's up to you if you want to do that. Alright, so we're going to scoop this. I'm going to divide that into our loaf pan. There we go. Here we go. And I'm going to take my custard and put him on top. He's going to sink, but that's okay. Right. I'm going to take this and kind of just swirling it up. Okay. Alright, so it goes like that. So we're gonna put the sliced peaches like I did with that one. So we just gonna line them up all over. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar on top. guys, so this is gonna go in the oven 325 for 45 to 60 minutes. I'm going to put it on 45 minutes, then check them out and see if they're done. If not, then we put them back into the oven. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so peach custard bread is now done, and I baked them for 60 minutes all together. So I'm gonna take it out. It's still warm, and you gotta really cool it down before you dig in or cut and eat it, but it's up to you. So the reason why I put this on, so it's easy to lift. All right, and it's also really easy to just take it out that way, just like that. Just gonna take out the parchment paper, and they're very soft in the middle. This remind me actually in a bread pudding that we have in the Philippines, but that was different kind of filling they have. And I tell you, these things smell so good. And you can chill these in the refrigerator. You can eat it cold because they taste better when it's... Alright, I'm gonna cut a piece. It's very soft. It's much better if you chill it a little so the custard will set a little bit. So see now, I have the custard in the middle and it sink down when I put that in there. Now that's what it looks like. Like I said, you can skip the custard. The middle of the bread will rise up without the custard, but I do have custard, so I use it with the bread. So that's what it looks like. It's right in the middle. That's how I make peach bread pudding. This reminds me of the snack that we call merienda in the Philippines that my grandfather Lolo always have it in the afternoon. Anyway, so give this a try. Like I said, if you don't have any of the custard, just skip it. But just to remind you, you need to chill this since it has that custard, and the more the custard settle inside, the bread will taste much better. Okay, so that's our project for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.